There it is. Wow, skipped pretty far. Oh, there's another one. Just watch their behavior. It's going to meet it? Sure looks that way. Is that wild or what? Well, they took a look at each other. Oh, it's behind it. It's following it. Oh, it is. Look. Oh, man, they're meeting up. Okay, now they're splitting up. What's up with that? Look at that. Okay, which one do I go for? Trying to keep them both. Come on, don't put me in this position. Okay, now it's going to meet the other one. Okay, that's cool. So, if you didn't see it with your own eyes, would you believe it? You should see the big, big craft that went chasing something. That's what we're waiting for. It was so fast. Oh, now that one went to two things. Look. Ooh. Ah, man. There's nothing I can do about it. It's off the screen. I can't go any further over. There's nothing I can do. Maybe it'll come back. Whoa, look at it. Whoa, come on. Oh, no, it's going to go off the screen, too. Oh. It disappeared. Dang it. I hate when that happens. Alright. It could come back. I don't know. On though, so why would I think they're both going to come back? Alright, I'm going to go to the left. I'm running out of time, so I'm trying to go as quick as possible so you can see more. This is like so common. I'm going to have to come back here. I can't see any other choice. Okay, there's one. Right there. See it? Oh, that went fast. Okay. It's above, okay. It's above my cursor. I'm not moving the screen. It went back a little bit and forward a little bit. That's okay. Okay. Whoops. Oh man, That was fast. Oh, there's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing I can... Oh, look at... Oh, look! Did you see that? Oh, let me be able to get to it.